welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Bridge dam site reopened for light goods vehicles. Former Karnataka MLA appointed Governor of Meghalaya. HYC Nongklung unit receives donations for orphaned family. And village leaders urge action for crumbling health sub-center. And now the news in detail. The state government has reopened the bridge dam site for vehicular traffic in both directions following several months of closure for repairs. Starting from July 30th, vehicles transporting goods will be permitted to use the bridge with a restriction that only those carrying up to 4 metric tons are allowed. This decision was announced by A.T. Mondal, Minister of Electricity, after a meeting with Chief Secretary Preston Tansong and scientists from IIT Guwahati. The bridge has been deemed suitable for light and basting vehicles based on recent reports. This move is expected to ease transportation challenges and improve logistics in the region.
High Power Committee for the Umiam Dam and Bridge has sat under the chairmanship of Honorable Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tansong, were also present the Chief Secretary, the DGP, District Commissioners, Deputy Commissioners, then the officials from PWD, MECL, and also our consultant from IIT. We had a threadbare discussions, and after all the discussions, it has been decided that from tomorrow onwards, the bridge will be open both ways. And this will be only restricted to, as per the earlier order, restricting only 4 metric ton of vehicles, not above the 4 metric tons. There will be further notification later on, and when that notification will come, I will call you again and explain the situation. So this is the present situation as per the status of Umiam.
The President has appointed Chandrasekhar H. Vijayashankar as the new Governor of Meghalaya, succeeding Phagu Chauhan, who resigned on July 27th. Vijayashankar, a notable political figure, served as a member of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly in 1994 and was elected to the Lok Sabha from Mysore in 1998 with a subsequent re-election. He has also held the position of Minister of Forests and Small-Scale Industries in Karnataka. Most recently, he won the 2023 MLA election from the Periyapatna-Mysuru constituency. His appointment as Governor of Meghalaya marks a new chapter in his political career, bringing within a wealth of experience in governance and legislative affairs. The Hnyotrab Youth Council HYC Nongklung unit has received donations to support the newly constructed home for Ibalawanpli Wanyang and her siblings. The house, completed and handed over on July 4th by Roykupar Sindram, was followed by generous donations from the community. On July 29th, HYC Nongklung unit leaders including Primal Thongni, Banshai Lingdo, Olwasmos Wanyang and Lumlang Khars Emle distributed essential household items to ensure the family's daily needs are met. This act of generosity aims to provide the family with comfort and support in their new home.
Penerim tenang ngasih aneh. Apa namanya ngasih Daril tadi yang nih.
Wan hai kayeng mungkin pi. Rasung jungi ikabangin. Yo ikabangin. Ai kin kijing ai subha jungi kum. Ka sang HYC no kulung unit jungi yang ni. Ya ini ki trajo ki ni kan ka kudret. Ya han ka pork bam tan so bam sai kinjen. Ikong ba kani ka kudret kamde namba kijing ai jungi bangi sucit mangi kum ka sang. Leila don pat da ki wipat ki ba ai subha. Ya ka sang jungi yang ni mat naleng jungi ka sang da kijing supu lang. Lia berkat bangun ai saki longi po jong ka Shillong den Khubor babsa na khat sindong don nikong bang kum kadak ba in ITP kan ko ben mek wa chikmat dan
Bentar tu. Kecing kemen kaya hangi kibayo lomba jing kemen ba jing kerku. Okey, ya.
Iwan itu kan ada yang ini disuki, dibuat ini pedang ini disuki, bahkan pasal isi kerja oleh kawan. Ayah pihak yang berbuat bantah, saya kebetulan kam, belum bagi bagi pada itu ada di bagian pedang, belum terus ni belum ayah pihak belum saya jadi. Kun suat pojok kan Shillong dia bangi. Kun kaya setengah isu ini juga rap nak support cukup ipat, tam akan support bantah. Ya bangi kum kasang isu kabarit na tulot ng bakiniki. So far bangi o iban wanay untuk api ak ng korbang talang ba. Kinikim day yak bangi kum ki kasang isu kadai kanong kati yung yak bangi tip na mangi ndray. Kinikim day yak baki beru kiba snudam yang ikum kasang isu yak baki yarab yang ikum kasang.
Leaders from the village authority and KSU Nong Mise unit have raised urgent concerns regarding the health sub-center in Nong Mise village, West Khasi Hills. The facility is currently in disrepair with a collapsed roof and inadequate infrastructure leading to flooding during the rainy season. Additionally, the sub-center suffers from insufficient electricity and water supply, impacting both patients and staff. With only 2 nurses serving 23 villages, the situation is increasingly critical. The village leaders and KSU youth have called on government and health authorities to urgently address these issues. They have also requested the appointment of an additional A&M nurse to better meet the area's healthcare needs. The village is located near the Ryangdo Community Health Center.
Jaban lek jurip ya kenega sub center kabadon apu jong kenega Shillong nang se jong ni nilap ba sibul ki jingduna jeng kam apu jong ka kaba kamak madu jong kalong kawai ba kamdon yaga toilet ne ka ji jakalik sebar da wanta ki nongwan I inject lane nongwan check up apu jong kanega sub center bat kabar nang ta ka sopit dan nega i kenja tliu ban bu yagi kenja jakli jaklai nang ta ka balai habe ka water pipe ilap ba kanega water pipe do ka ilap ba kam Samla long ka ba baha gidon ki kamera ki ba kampat yuk ya ka connection harga day bat kanega water pipe ti nang ta sa kawai ka sa h ya ka day bat ka sa h ni iba nilap ba kam don hangne ti nang ta sa kawai pat ka wash area kanega jaka tati dan ki sa ki smart di nongwan I am jackal ne nongwan check up kanega sub center nangta ka waiting area nega kanega jakaban up nangta sa kawai nilab ka fencing ru kala iba kala jot nangta bat sakoi ru ka dosbin laba angni ini ya ka dosbin ka ba bit ka bagian bat sakoi ru ka jingduna kamtami harabe be bat staff nas yamanta ki no pray angni ki don
Nathaniel Sotun, a 17-year-old student from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV Mauplang East Khasi Hills, has tragically died from electrocution at the school hostel. The incident occurred on July 29th. His father received a distress call between 3 and 4 p.m. from the school authorities informing him of Nathaniel's critical condition and hospitalization. Despite inquiries, the family was not given details about the cause of the emergency and was urged to arrive quickly. Upon reaching the hospital, they found that Nathaniel had already passed away. The incident has deeply shocked the family. The body was sent to Shillong Civil Hospital for a post-mortem examination, with the report still pending.
Kunjung aku ketemu Nathaniel satu kuliah po GNV usang cluster 11 dok pas cluster menang dia Feminin poi phone po hostel ang ba ula stop ang tidak pen kita po si hospital stop jom pulang kan saya nak ta ngia poi ngap di lok nang dia telin ngia phone kino hikai ngi dia ini punya batai ki ni suami wan keluar poi saya taipan pendoi ke hospital ko na ba usabat lat pamundam su
Kemudian
phone ni hak po sauji hostel entah ni mari yo jingkit ngira poi no stay khasinews no por Bosco
kali hamar ya yang
po hostel
sabar po hostel be kadi ka po kayem pon nakalaj pon aye ne ke
tu kembali tu tadi amba dan ki pai te na jero tadi ngam tu bahan mang ngapat lepet ngaru tu jaka mang ba usabat dingket
kau di kendu ikon ai pak piwan
apa si
no okey lah rais po si hostel kembila si tomjur kata po poi pin
la khala
apa poi pin akhlak betul kau hang
ni poi ni stay te la ko ban rio ngap lok
kau ikon pisa sini te ikon pak
bisa sno
long pisa
ni sa laban ho tu kuliah po GNV mo plug stay sta hostel tu stay
oh la stem sa ste
oh naru class 6 la di bendap mata number 1 la di bendap nang class 12 ta ke bo ngidang mata ki bejai kun nga beti on ba usabat ding dia bertangi apa.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.